Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. I will be doing some of your literacy lessons, and today we are starting a new 6 weeks. We're in the second 6 weeks, and so we'll be learning about um, some new things about living things and non-living things um, during our 6 weeks as we're going through learning some new letters. So our letter for today and also tomorrow will be letter D. And so the letter D makes the D, D, D. And they said you put your tongue close to your top teeth and then you do D, D, D. And so the letter D I have on my screen the capital D and lowercase d. Also, we say uppercase D, lowercase d, or the small d. Make sure when you do your circle, when you write the letter D, that the circle is pointing toward the left. For letter D, we have dolphin, dolphin. So we can see that beautiful dolphin in the water. And so dolphin makes the letter D sound. Also dog, desk, dance, all those have the D sound. And that's at the beginning of the word. But sometimes you're going to see or hear the letter D at the end of the word. So also it's at the final part of the word. So we're going to be listening for the D, D, D sound in the word. Okay? So I'm going to say a word, and when you hear the D sound, I want you to do thumbs up. Think about if it's at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. Here we go. First word, dog, dog, D, D, dog. Next word, pot, pot. Next word, sled, sled. And that one is at the end of the word, the final sound, the last sound. Bug, bug. Do you hear the D? No, it comes down. Next one, dot, dot. And that one's at the beginning of the sound. The beginning of the word. Next word, mop, mop. Next word, dig, dig. That one's at the beginning of the word. Next one, sad, sad. That one's at the end of the word. Next word, cat, cat. No, no D. Next one, mad, mad, mad. It's at the end of the word. Next one, ball, ball. No D sound. Last one, door, door, D, D, door. Yes, that one has the D sound. So make sure you're practicing that sound, D, D. Listen for the sound either at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. Also, we say the initial sound or the final sound. Next, I have our sight words. We have are, that, of. Are, that, of. And what's the reason we need to know these words? They help us with our reading, and also when you're writing, when you're starting to write your stories and you're needing some of these words, if you've memorized them and you can remember how to spell them, this will help you in your writing when you get ready to write one of these words. Maybe you need to write the word "are" and you already know how to write it and how to spell that word. Maybe you're using the word "that" and you need to spell. If you already memorized it, you'll already be able to know how to write it. Maybe "of," you'll know how to write it when you learn that word also. So we have "are," "that," and "of." So make sure you memorize those words. Next, I have a game that practices our letter D sound, and it will be at the beginning of the word or it may be at the end of the word. And it's sorting. Sort the sounds. Let's go back. Sorry. Okay. So let's click on the pictures. Okay. And this is dog and then bed. So if it's at the beginning of the word or the initial sound or the first sound, it will be dog. If the picture goes in this box, it has the final sound or the last sound, like bed, bed. The very last sound that I say makes the D sound, and it's bed. So let's practice. Where do you think dig goes? See if we're right. Oh, we got it right. So it gave us a check. Dig, d, d, dig. Door, d, door. Mustard. Let's see. Mustard. Oh, so look where it goes. It's mustard, the last sound. So mustard bed. Oh, we got it right. Dance, dance. So anytime we put our picture here, it has the D sound at the beginning. Cloud. Oh, we got it right. Crowd, crowd. We got it right. Dive, d, dive. We got it right. Salad. So is that like dog or more like bed? Okay, salad. It's gonna go on this side. Deer, deer. So if I was to put it here with bed, oh, that makes million go away. So d, d. So listen very carefully for the first sound. Keyboard, keyboard. All right, here we go. So let's say, oh, we got two more. Bird, bird. So that one, if you listen carefully, you got it right. Doctor, d, d, doctor, doctor. Okay, so make sure you practice your sounds. And let's see. All right. So that was our sound rainforest, practicing the letter D and the sound D, D, and listening not only at the beginning, but also at the end of the word. So hopefully you were able to pick the pictures correctly and know where they go. All right. So we played a little game for letter D. And remember to practice all of your sounds. Make sure and practice the names of the letters. Make sure you're practicing writing the letters. And make sure that your stories you're reading in your green workbook and practicing each one. Okay. Also make sure that you're taking your time and making your work look nice and neat. Also, make sure that you're trying to practice writing some of the words. So some of the pictures you saw in the game, you can also practice sounding out um, the words also so that you can make sure that you're learning your sounds. And that will help you with your reading. That's going to help you with your writing. So have a good day, and I'll see you next time.